Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Jeep Wrangler door lock, updated. Start by removing the inner door panel using a trim tool and Phillips screwdriver, then disconnect the wiring harness and gently lift the panel away. Keep parts organized in small containers and take photos as you go to ensure correct reassembly. Check the actuator, latch, and linkages for wear or broken clips before replacing parts or reattaching components to the door. Begin by testing the door lock with the key fob and interior switch to isolate electrical faults from mechanical problems. Remove the door panel and visually inspect the actuator, latch assembly, and connecting rods for damage or disconnected clips. Clean any corrosion or debris with contact cleaner and a small brush, then manually operate the latch to confirm smooth movement. Replace faulty actuators or broken clips, and recheck the system before sealing the panel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful repair guides for you. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long projects and fits in most cup holders, making it perfect for garage work. Check the description for the product link and other deals and grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After disconnecting the battery, probe the actuator with a test light or multimeter, while a helper operates the lock switch to verify power and ground. If the actuator fails, remove mounting screws and detach the linkage clips, then install the new actuator and reconnect clips securely. Reconnect the wiring harness, temporarily reattach the panel to test lock function, and only fully reassemble once the lock cycles smoothly from both the key fob and interior switch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.